Joe Beermaster here, and we have another instructional video of how to change the battery on your Mercedes key fob. There's a little trick to this. When I first looked at it, it was a little confusing, but I figured it out. So I figured it would make a good video. Now this key has a secret valet key in here. See this little button on the top here? If you slide that back and you pull out, the valet key comes out. So there's no other access to get to the battery, so there's a little trick. And what we do is get this valet key, stick it in here, and push. And when you push, this little hatch opens up. And there's the battery. Now to get to the battery, you just basically turn it upside down, give it a little tap, and there's your battery. Made pretty simple. It's got this little rubber grommet in here which holds the battery in nice and tight. So when you change your battery, put the new one back in, make sure the positive is up. It's actually got to slide in a little bit. If you look, this is not a true circle, so you want to slide it in. Well, a little tricky, like I said. Slide it in. Get your lid. Put it in. Squeeze. And then we're going to put the valet key back in. Basically just slide it in. And then it clicks. And that's it. That's how to change the battery on your Mercedes key fob. This one was for 2012 GL450, but they're all pretty similar. There's some different versions, but this is your standard Mercedes key. Joe Beermaster. If you like my video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.